Hello everyone, this is the refrigerant piping, the copper pipe for the air conditioner. Copper pipe we divide it into two types of the copper pipe. It is the soft pipe and it is the hard pipe. So for the soft pipe, it has two, the level boost and the pancakes. Look at the picture. Here is the level boost pie. You can see it. And this is the pancakes pie. Yes. The hard pie, it is the striped pie. Yes, the striped pie, it is the stripe big and stripes. Okay, so if we divide it into two types like this, if you want to know how to use it, so if you want to know when to use it, so you don't know when we use the soft pie and when we use the hard pie. Okay, let's go and see the specification that recommend from the factory. So where the factory selects for us to use the standard pie with the correct option. Okay, here's the spice. This is the standard specification of our copper pies. So it has the diameter. This is the diameter 6.35 to 44.45. It is the standard diameter, and this column it is for air 22. This column it is for air 14A and air 32. So the recommend from the factory, if you use the pie has thickness like this, you can use it with soft pie, and the thickness is attached here. For example, if you use the 15.28 and if you use with the refrigerant air 22, the recommend thickness, yes, the recommend thickness from soft pie it is 1 millimeters, but the recommend thickness from the soft pie, sorry, from the hard pie, oh, it's the same. From the hard pie, it's the same. The tolerance it is 0.09. But if you use the pie thickness 38.1 for air 22 and the hard pie, the recommended thickness is 1.15. But if you use the hard pie for the air 14A, the thickness recommended is 1.35. Yes, I hope you understand about this spice. It is easy to read. This is the dimension that we have for the spice from the factory, and this is the soft pie, and this is the hard pie. So if you use with air 14A, they recommend to use this thickness, and if you use it with the hard pie, they recommend to use it like this. And the soft pie and hard pie, it has the range, so from 22.22 to 44.45, it is the hard pie. No have the soft pie. So you can see this chart and keep it for your reference and follow it for your installation. Okay, I hope you understand about this video. Thank you.